Hey, I'm Eric with Orenda. In this video, we are going to explain how to install a commercial feed pump for enzymes. This is the pump we're going to use today. It can be programmed to feed as little as we need because an enzyme feed does not use a lot of liquid. The second step after we've selected the feed pump is to figure out where are we going to put it. Well, we have to be near a power source. So here's a power source here, and there's also a power source right behind me. So if you want to come over here, I think what we need to do is we need to install this pump somewhere in this area. So I think we're going to probably go on this wall because down here, this is the pool return. So the water is flowing back to the pool this way. So I think we're going to install near the power source. Right down there is the drum of enzymes. And we'll run a line through the feed pump, tapped into this return line, just like that. So we're using a 1/4 inch line. You don't need that much. And so you're going to need a little bit of an adapter. And this comes with the pump. All of these little things come with the pump system. 1/4 inch line is all you need for enzymes because the doses are so small compared to things like liquid chlorine. So this is a pipe threader that's being manually entered so that we can add threads into the plastic so that we can screw in the adapter to tap this line. So now we're wrapping the adapter with Teflon tape for waterproofing. So we have this tube attached now with zip ties, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So we'll feed it through the newly punctured hole in the lid, and we're going to add the weighted tube weight. Alright, so everything's been installed. Here we have the CV-600 drum, easily accessible to lifeguards and staff that manage the pool. That's probably one of the more important things you need to consider. You don't want to put it behind complicated plumbing that they can't get a heavy drum in. But if you come over here, when we installed it, we drilled through the lid so that the tube fits easily through. That's what it's made for. And at the bottom we have our weight to make sure that it stays in the bottom of the liquid enzyme drum. So we'll put that back in the bottom. Why don't you come around here and see that the tubing has been zip tied just so you don't trip on it. It always stays there into our feed pump, which will turn this way. We'll pull a certain amount of enzymes out and feed it right down here directly into the tapped main return line. So all we have to do now is follow the instructions on the book, and we're going to program this for the right dosage that this pool needs. That's pretty much it. We're going to clean up and get out of here, turn the pumps on. This is how you install a commercial enzyme feed pump. Thank you.